as one small boy goes running proudly to his mother's call. The stone-built farmhouse is a rough stone cottage hiding close against the hillside up a winding track. The stone-built farmhouse has a fair-haired farmer wearing wooden shoes and building up a new haystack. Run in the door, stand on the stone floor. In the open oven there's the biggest loaf you ever saw. And the stone-built farmhouse gives a good warm welcome as he sits down in his own chair with a Windsor back. The magpie meadow is a glowing evening color. Sun is setting quietly